Hello STARMAKER friends, here is another quick tip. Today I'm going to show you how to sing in a party room. Go ahead and open up your STARMAKER app and you will see on the bottom left part of the screen a little icon that says party. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you get here, you're going to click on music right in the middle of the screen. It'll show you a large list of different party rooms. You can see how many people are in there and how many people are singing. And if you're looking for a specific party room, each party room has their own number. So if you know the number of the party room that you're looking for, go ahead and type it into the search bar. But today I'm just going to pick a random one, that way I can show you what to do. Here we've entered the party room and you can see someone singing right now. And right now there's 5 people that are in the queue. So if you want to sing, go ahead and click on sing. Now if you don't have a specific song in mind, you can click on some of these icons and they'll show you some lists of songs that you can look through. If you're looking for a specific song, go ahead and click on the search bar and type that in. I have typed in my song that I'd like to sing, and it gives you a whole bunch of different tracks that you can pick from. So once you decide on the one you want to sing, just click on queue. Once you have chosen your song, it will prompt you to sing solo or duet. If you want to sing by yourself, click on solo. If you want to do a duet where anybody in the room can join you, click on duet. After that, you'll be entered into the queue. And if you click on the queue, you can see everybody who's in the list that's getting ready to sing. You can see what place you are, how many people are singing ahead of you. And if you scroll down to the bottom, it'll give you a time. That's how much time is left before you start singing. Once you're in the queue, you're going to have to wait your turn. When it is your turn, the screen will pop up saying, hey, do you want to start singing? And you can click yes or no. And if you click yes, it'll give you some options to change your settings, but it'll automatically start playing. I hope you have tons of fun singing in these party rooms. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.